Task analysis and report in Task eOffice. So when you log in eOffice, go to the task, and then previously we talked about the task and subtask, right? The next one is the task analysis. As you can see that we have several tasks and subtasks are being created in the task list. Then you can check out the task analysis. Since all the tasks are being created on today, right? Since all the tasks are being created today, so you can see that before 20, all the task trend are 0. So it's just remain flat, right? And on here, you can see the data visualization that shows that the total number of the tasks, which is 6. And when you have several completed tasks, it will change depends on how many quantities of the tasks are being completed and how many are being processed and how many is delayed. Right. So since currently we have 33% are already completed and others of these are still processing. And here also you can ignore the other colors and just specific check on the new task how many, and it's count by the using the date. So if let's say 18 you have several tasks are being created on here, it will show some trends line on here also. But for now we only have several trends line on 21. So you can see is that only 21 only the 21s have the quantities of numbers on here. And you can also check on the task accomplished and the remaining tasks as well, right? So this is the date that you can change it based on what period you want to check on the task trend, right? So this is the task analysis on visualization that you will check on when uh, on the future using the task modules. Yeah. Since on here, as you can see that we only have 6 tasks, but usually you will have more, maybe 40 tasks or 30 tasks, right? Or even hundreds. Then if there's many tasks, normally you won't use the my task to check one by one. You will use the filterization method or straight up open up the task analysis to check on how is the visualization on the past period of the how is the task trend happening and then how is the reporting. All right. So the next one is the task report. For the task report is more onto each of the users in EO, specifically the departments now. So you can check on which user having, like, let's open up a bigger more. Okay, you can check on which user having a total task of maybe like this one. He had total task of 2, and then the second person have 2 also. But admin, me, I have 6 tasks right on in hand. And which one is still in progress, and then any overdue progress like this one, right? He has overdues but still in progress, while me, I already have 2 completed. Yeah. So you can also check any that already overdue but already done, like this one. He has 1 task that overdue but already done. So you can check straight up on here what task as is overdue but already done by him. Alright. And also you can check on the overdue task as well. Which task is being overdue, so you can straight up remind him. So if this task is overdue, right, you can click on the task log to check anyone is doing and what is the subtask on it as well. And then if it is it happening, and then you can click on press to do to remind the users, right? And here you can check on the completion rate of the each of the users and what is the overdue percentage as well. right? This is the overall task reporting on the higher scales, as maybe you are a director or a manager, right? You want to check all of the members, you want to check the members of specific department, or this one, or maybe you want to check only this person. If not, you want to check on this department only, maybe. Then just click on it and then click search. Then you only check on how many total of three of these people, what is the total task, what is the progress task, what is the completed task. All of it depends on here. Alright. So this is the so-called, you can check on the overall in databases, or you can check on the overall in a short summary basis. Alright.